Hi guys! Thanks for your interest in Jumble, SINi's random transformation plugin for 3ds Max. Jumble is designed for two purposes: selecting objects by percentage and volume and adding random transformation. It's a really helpful way to add subtle variation to your scene, giving it more realistic, imperfect characteristics such as laying out car parks. Let's take a look. Open Jumble from the toolbar or drop-down menu. Before I begin, a quick reminder that to access the help docs, click the question mark on the header. The first thing to do is select the objects you wish to work with. In the top section, select by percentage and volume, starting on the left with random percentage. Input a number to randomly select the percentage of objects. On the row below, you can click Make a Selection Set, clear it, reselect the selection set, and Random Seed, which cycles through the randomly selected objects. The next two tools in the row allow you to select by size. This can be useful if you want to isolate objects, selecting small or large objects. For example, in this scene, which is an imported Revit model, I want to clean it up, removing any small objects such as interior fixtures, door handles, etc. First, select everything. Note below, Jumble displays the size of the smallest and largest volumes in the selection. If I select small volume and then adjust the range, I capture all the tiny geometry that may not be necessary to my scene and will likely slow down working in 3ds Max. Here's a Jumble tip. If you wish to check the volume size of any 3D geometry, open Springboard and click on Measure. This is handy if you want to select exact size objects. Another example would be when doing vegetation. For example, you might want to isolate the large trees only. Random transformations. This adds object transformation settings for position, rotation, and scale. First, select the objects. Click to save the selection set. Jumble stores the selection history with the file, allowing you to select the set again. You can now apply transformations, adding the minimum and maximum values. I'll start by increasing the scale, then adjusting the X and Y rotation. You can also jumble the position. I'll reset that to 0. By default, rotation is limited to 360 degrees. To remove the limit, click Remove Limits. All transforms have a unified checkbox, which combines all X, Y, and Z settings. Click Random Seed to change the random value. Reset Objects. We'll reset the selection to their original settings. Delete Groups. Removes any groups from the selected objects, allowing them to transform independently. That's it for Jumble. In my next video, I'll cover Unite, our relinking, archiving, and repathing scene assets plugin. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.